this stuff because it's budget friendly. I feel like a lot of new non-toxic cleaners and stuff are starting to become very expensive because they're becoming more popular. If you're on a budget like I am, then this is definitely budget friendly for you. So all you're gonna need is a cup of filtered water. I use filtered because we are on a well and we just don't want any or anything in it. So filtered water, and then a half cup of vinegar, white vinegar, and then a half cup of either rubbing alcohol, or you could do a half cup of vodka, whatever you choose. And then essential oils if you would like to put that in there, which I would suggest, or else it's probably gonna stink. So I'm just going to pour my cup of water into my spray bottle. I'm doing so good. I'm starting to use funnels because normally I don't. I'm like, oh, I can just pour it in there, and then it ends up all over the place, and I make a huge disaster. And now that I have children, I already have messes all over the place, so I figure why not be cautious. So now I'm gonna do some alcohol. I'm just using a half cup. That's all you need. And then, like I said, you can use vodka or you can just use regular straight alcohol. And then you need your vinegar. I was saying that this recipe is budget friendly, not only because you're making it at home, but also because you can just buy generic alcohol and generic vinegar. This is the white vinegar from Walmart. Great value vinegar, and guess what? It works great. So let's pour a half cup of vinegar into our measuring cup. Okay. I'm hoping that I didn't fill it too much to where my little thing will make it overflow. But if I do, story of my life. Could do any other scent that you want. Just I'm doing lemon because I feel like lemon in the kitchen always makes it feel nice and clean and fresh. So just 20 drops of those, which maybe make me overfill. I'm actually not counting, so great. All right, so once you have mixed in your essential oils, put the top on. Oh my goodness, I'm surprised it didn't overflow. Do what I do, but be a little bit smarter about it. It didn't overflow, we're good to go. So I guess you could cut the recipe in half if you want to, water's fine. And there you go, that is your disinfectant household cleaner. Just remember that if you are using citrus or lemon or vinegar and rubbing alcohol, that if you spray it on your stained wood, it will take that stain right out of your stained wood. So be very, very careful with it, especially if it's sitting in the sun too. That'll take it right out. So make sure that your wood is coated in the finish, or just don't even use it on your wood because it literally will take it right out. But I mean, if you want it out, you can use it on it. So just don't use it on. I'm just gonna also pour this household multi-purpose cleaner. I have this one up on my YouTube as well. But as I was just thinking, I grabbed this jar and I was like, oh my goodness, you definitely could just get a bigger mason jar and mix your mixture in your mason jar and then shake it and then pour what you need to pour inside of your glass. I feel like that would be so much easier, cleaner. You wouldn't even need a funnel. So maybe try that, and that's what I'll be doing from now on. But since we're on here, it's been 4 weeks since I made this, so I'm going to actually pour it into my other bottle because I am out with this multi-purpose cleaner. I used pine and orange. Usually I just use orange, so I just kind of wanted more of a different smell. I think next time I'll do some cloves and stuff in there, just to change it up a little bit. In the summer, I usually like to put lavender, and you could put even flowers in there if you want. Make it smell a little more floral. That didn't make as much as I was hoping, but I'm just gonna put more vinegar in here and let it sit and soak up all the rest of what we got in here, because why not? Maybe I'll throw a couple more orange peels in there. I absolutely recommend pouring or putting pine and oranges in, or rosemary or whatever. If I do just the citrus, it still has that vinegar smell, and this smells so good. It is the best smelling vinegar I've ever smelled. Weird how it smells so good. I wish I could make you smell it through the screen. But anyway, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here just to dilute it a little bit, and then there you have it. You have your disinfectant cleaner, and then you have your multi-purpose cleaner. And you could honestly even add some alcohol to this to make it a disinfectant. Honestly, you could do that. That way you have a really good smell in disinfectant. This will smell okay, it's lemon, but this one smells great. So no, now I gotta go make some homemade Hot Pockets before the kids wake up. So we'll see you next time.